Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So a lot of people ask me the type of oil they can add to their Olay vitamin C body lotion. I want to go straight to the point. So as I promised in my last video, I said I was going to show you people a very good body oil I have used, and it's really good. Like if you combine this oil with Olay vitamin C brightening lotion, you're going to really love your skin. Before that, I had also made different videos about this Olay body lotion, and I told you guys to be using either Palmer's or Aveeno, or I mentioned some oils, but now I have found the best of all. Like if you combine these two oils together, if you pair them together, you are really going to get a very nice skin color. If you are dark skin, you're going to get this nice chocolate skin. If you are a little lighter like me, you're going to get this nice caramel skin. Now the secret oil I'm going to talk about is this fair and white fair and white, so white brightening oil. So this is my Olay vitamin C brightening lotion, and I'm going to show you how I mix it. Okay, this is what I use. I use my old Evershin bottle. I use my old Evershin bottle. You can see I have run out. This is what I pour inside. I have run out, so I'm going to mix it. I'm going to show you how I mix it. Okay, so I just pump some here. I should have done this off cam, but I want to show you guys how I mix it before you make a mistake. And please, if you are mixing, don't overdo the oil. If not, it's going to glow you. It won't darken you. It doesn't darken and it doesn't whiten. It just gives you this uniform glow. Like you are going to love your skin. So let's say you have half of this. Let's say you have half of the Olay vitamin C. This is how much oil you will need. You don't need a lot of the oil. Anyone who have used this oil can testify. Like this oil is so good. You can scroll through my videos. Under my videos, I have made series of videos on this oil because it's good. I started using this oil in 2020 when I had my third baby. I became so dark. Okay, so I wanted an oil to brighten my body. First bought this Francois Bedon cream. Francois Bedon gave me severe dark knuckles, so I had to just quickly run and then look for a good oil to repair my body. And whilst I was doing my research, I came across this oil. This oil, the price is very affordable. It's like 10 euro or so, and it's really good. It comes in 250 ml, and like it's a brightening. I don't know how to describe this oil. One, they use almond to make it. It's going to glow you. It's not going to give you this knuckles. It's not so harsh. So today is not for oil review, so let's just mix the cream. Okay, so if you have a new bottle, if you have a new Olay like this, please get a spoon, like a tablespoon. Okay, me, I'm going to use my eyes to measure it, but get a tablespoon and measure 2 tablespoons. This one is just a tiny bit, so I'm not going to use much. I'm going to use just a little. You see how I'm pouring it? Not so much, not so much, because I got just a tiny bit of the cream. Okay, just not so much. Let me add a tiny bit because it's winter. So usually if you have half of this bottle, you can put like 4 tablespoons. Okay, 4 tablespoons, and then mixing. I was using the cinematic features, but it wasn't showing the products well, so this is how I mix the fair and white, so white. So what you need to do is get a full bottle of this. Mine is finished. Get a full bottle, pour half of half of Eversheen cocoa butter, half quantity, not full bottle, like half of this one. Pour it into it, and then take 4 tablespoons of this oil and mix everything together until you don't see the oil anymore. This is how I mix it. So after mixing, you are going to get this light pink consistency. If you have dry skin, you can increase it to 5 tablespoons. Okay, you're not going to get any knuckles. See my knuckles. Before, I used to have very bad knuckles. This fair and white oil saved my life. I used to pair it with Eversheen cocoa butter, but when I started pairing it with Olay vitamin C body lotion, that's the best thing that has ever happened to me. So guys, make sure you're going to get your fair and white so white oil and your Olay. Okay, when you use it, come and leave comments. Just don't go and use it for a week and come and leave bad comment. Use it at least a month. You are going to love your skin. Seriously, you're going to love your skin. Okay, when you add the oil, you see how moisturized my hands is. When you add the oil, it really works like magic, and the oil smells very nice too. The Olay smells also very nice, so you're going to love your skin. See how my hands is moisturized. If you have dry skin, this is the best oil to use. So guys, this was just by the way. I was just mixing my cream and I said, okay, let me just show you people how I mix it. Okay, see you guys in my next video. Make sure you subscribe, like, comment, share, and then see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. And I forgot to tell you guys, please don't use it on your face. Okay, this is just for the body, don't use it for the face. So what you can do is once a week you just scrub your skin and then use this combination of fair and white so white oil and Olay vitamin C body lotion, and you are good to go. This is basically my new secret, and I'm loving my skin. Seriously, I'm really loving my skin. It's not going to bleach you. You won't get any green veins or dark knuckles or anything. See, okay, you are going to love your skin very well. Please, and when you are adding the oil, don't add a lot. I said half of this container. Pour the Olay inside. Don't make it full, like make it to half of this. Then you pour 4 or 5 tablespoons of the oil inside and mix it. Don't go and add any tube. Don't go and add any tube. If you add any tube, you're going to damage your skin and the cream will not work. See you guys next week. Bye.